How to use coconut milk for beautiful and glowing skin. Coconut is a healthy food for health as well as skin. Coconut milk is obtained after grating and grinding the coconut flesh with water and straining it. The liquid we get after this is known as the coconut milk. The milk can be thin or thick. It is very useful for fighting skin problems like dryness, acne, sunburn, aging of the skin and many other issues. The milk has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in healing swelling and redness on the skin. Coconut milk is used in different ways with various other ingredients to get a healthy and glowing skin. It is an inexpensive and easily available ingredient for skincare. We will give some tips to use it for getting beautiful skin. Number 1. Drink or apply coconut milk on the skin. Coconut milk contains nutrients that improve the elasticity of the skin. It can slow or delay the aging of the skin. Either drink the coconut milk or apply it on the skin. Wash the skin after some time. The skin will become more flexible and elastic. Coconut milk heals the wrinkles and spots on the skin. Number 2. Coconut milk with yogurt. Coconut milk can help in cleansing the skin in a natural way. Add little yogurt to coconut milk. Rub the mixture on the face. After 5 minutes, wipe the skin using a damp piece of cotton. Wash the face using normal tap water. It will cleanse the face. Number 3. Coconut milk with aloe vera. Coconut milk and aloe vera help in healing sunburn on the skin. Mix coconut milk with about 1/3 amount of aloe vera. To this, mix equal amount of cucumber pulp. Apply the mixture on skin affected by sunburn. This remedy will decrease redness in the body. Coconut milk moisturizes the skin. Number 4. Coconut milk with olive oil. Coconut milk is a natural makeup remover that helps in removing the traces of makeup, grease, and oil from the skin. Mix coconut milk with a double amount of olive oil. Apply the mixture on the face with cotton to remove makeup and clean the skin. Number 5. Coconut milk with turmeric. If you want to enhance the skin color and make it light, use coconut milk with turmeric. Mix coconut milk with turmeric powder and rice powder. Apply the paste on the skin. Wait for some time. After that, wash the skin and clean it well. Do this remedy thrice a week. It will help in getting a lighter and fair skin.